There are just too many massage shops in Chiang Mai. I have no idea which one to choose. So, what would happen if I asked ChatGPT for help? I decided to give it a try to see if it could really help me find a good place.
There are so many massage shops in Chiang Mai. Honestly, I was really confused about which one to choose and which place would be good. In this video, I'll share my experience from that time.
There are really so many massage shops in Chiang Mai. It's hard to decide which one to go into.
I couldn't decide on my own which shop was really good. Even when I looked at the map, I still couldn't tell which one was actually worth going to. It just made me even more confused.
So, I decided to ask ChatGPT. I asked it to tell me which massage shops have good reviews. So, which shop did ChatGPT recommend? In the next scene, I'll finally show you the place. ChatGPT recommended 3 massage shops around Nimmanhaemin. Before searching, I asked it to find places near my apartment that offer strong, high-quality massages and have good reviews. However, one of them was a bit far from where I live, so I decided to remove it from the list.
I checked the reviews of the remaining 2 shops on Google Maps.
After comparing the reviews, I decided to go with the shop that seemed the best.
Now, I'll show you what that shop was like in the next part.
Just as I had requested, I got a strong and firm massage. The pressure was perfect, exactly the kind of treatment I was hoping for. Since my shoulders were stiff, I chose the 90-minute back and shoulder massage course. The price was 525 baht, a proper professional massage at a reasonable standard rate, and I was very satisfied. Thanks to ChatGPT and Google Maps, I was able to choose a massage shop with great reviews. It really helped me make a decision easily and with confidence, without any hesitation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.